Okay, burpee challenge. We have Amit and Sukhi. Okay, stand by. Off you go. You're into it. That's it. Straight to the floor, everyone. Go for it. Go for the floor. Okay, first 10 done. Well done, Amit. That's it. All the way to the floor. Go on, Sukhi. Keep it going. I do believe you're doing a bit too quick there, Sukhi. I think you should get yourself all the way down the floor. That's far too quick. You need to be working. I think you're ready for the next level. That was really quick. You look strong. Too much rest.
I need it.
You don't. You're not even out of breath. Go. Well done, everyone. Keep it going. Third set done. Go on, mate. Well done. That's it. Oh. Stick with it. Stick with it. Okay, halfway. 5 left. Only 4 left. Okay, we're done. Awesome stuff. Go on, keep going. Well done, everyone. Two left. Go on, keep going. Well done. Okay, last set, everybody. Last set. Go on, mate. Keep it going. Doesn't matter on this one. This is the last set. Just do 10 to the floor. Keep it going. No matter what happens, just keep going. Brilliant. See, always stronger on the last set. Okay, well done.
Thanks, Scott.
Okay, well done, Sugi. Sugi, you're looking strong there, Sugi. You need to, I think you need to go for the next, you know, on the floor and up. You know, because you.
Can you show me? Can you show me how to do?
I mean, look, a proper burpee is supposed. It's basically, so it's starting from the floor. Okay, so from the floor, so it's there. That's one burpee. Okay. So your burpee.
So from the floor like this.
Yeah, it's basically lying on the floor. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you've got to get back down, up to do a jump squat, and back down to the floor again. Okay, so that's one burpee. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, basically that's it. Okay. So on the next time we do it, go for it. Because I remember. I mean, I'm on day 24, 25 or something now, and when I first did that, I did 100, I was absolutely dead. At the end of it, I was like, this morning I did 140. I did 14 every 60 seconds, right? And I managed it. I think I could do more. So my fitness level has just improved so much just by doing that. So, you know, like Amit there, he was struggling. The last one you did on the last one. So that proves to me that you probably could have done it all the way through. Okay, so it's just in that, you know, get in your head, you think, well, I can do it. And, you know, I now know I can do 140. So I'll be thinking, right, okay.
Sorry, last session I realized that if I keep my legs wide like this, it helps moving forward like this.
That's all right. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Whatever. It's as long as you're lying on the floor, you do a jump squat. You can have your legs out there if you want. It doesn't matter. Okay. But it's just. But yeah, if you're just going down into the plank, you're not using your arms. You're not using your chest. Okay. So when you're going straight on the floor, you have to use your chest, biceps, triceps to push yourself up in that position. Your abs are getting used by dragging your legs in. Legs are getting used by pushing to the sky. You know, the only bit that's not getting used really is maybe a few back muscles, but they're still getting used a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a full body workout in 10 minutes. Okay. And your heart rate is getting up to, like, if your heart rate isn't like at the end of it, if you're not like, you know, like Amit was there, right? You need to be thinking, right, I need to do more than. Okay, so if I was you, I'd think, right, get the most out of 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, I've been lazy. It was watching Amit and Chakra. I thought, right, them two are absolutely dead. I'm not dead anymore. I need to up. So I'm going to now try to do 140.
Right.
Okay. If I don't feel good, I feel a bit rough or tired, I'll go back to 100. But I now know in my mind that I'm not working as hard as I can unless I do more.
Okay. I'll try that in the morning.
Go for it. If you struggle, go back to normal ones, or do 5 of each and 5 of the other. Okay?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay,
See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice one.
Bye, Scott.
Bye.